What's up guys, it's time to do a speed test comparison between the iPhone XS Max versus the OnePlus 6. The OnePlus 6 is one of the most popular and the most snappiest Android phones on the market. With Snapdragon 845 and OnePlus's optimization, this thing is a killer phone indeed. So we're going to be putting it up against the iPhone XS Max with the Apple A12 chipset, which is the most powerful right now. So we'll see how this will go. Let's get right into it. Now, both phones are completely off, as you can see, so I'm just going to quickly turn them on at the same time and see who is going to be the fastest one with the boot up. So OnePlus logo comes up first. The iPhone took some time. And all right, I think the OnePlus 6 will win. I have the latest updates and everything installed. And no, okay, so the iPhone XS Max is the fastest one with the boot up. Now everything is closed up in the background. We're gonna kick things off with the phone dialer. Here we go. And I think that was a little bit quicker on the OnePlus 6 thanks to its faster animation. The iPhone had a bit of a smoother effect, but it was also really quick settings. And that is also tiny bit quicker on the OnePlus. But now let's move towards some heavy stuff that will give us the difference in the speed for sure. So starting off with the Subway Surfer game on both phones. And let's see, okay. The iPhone XS Max, quicker. OnePlus 6 right behind. Asphalt 9. Another big Android/iOS game here. Let's see. Okay, so the iPhone is really good with the game loading times. Okay, so that was a really tiny difference. I mean, this is Apple A12, 7 nanometers, so much awesome result in benchmark, but you can see, I mean, not a lot of that translates into the real life performance. I mean, OnePlus 6 is doing really good so far. Moving on to the Instagram on both phones. Here we go. And that is an easy win with the OnePlus 6 with the refresh feed. With the latest feed, I mean, it is faster there. If we scroll down, you can see no problem at all. Let's check out my profile. That got loaded up quickly on both phones. No problem at all. Moving on to PS Express. That was super quick on the iPhone XS. Cora. And faster on the OnePlus 6. Next up, we have Smash Hit. And a little bit quicker on the OnePlus 6. Spotify. OnePlus 6. Pin out. And that felt a little bit quicker, like just a hair second faster on the iPhone. YouTube. And quicker on the OnePlus 6. Now lastly, we'll be launching the cameras at the same time. Let's go. And felt a little bit quicker on the iPhone XS Max. Now time for the browsing action. We have Google Chrome up against the Safari browser. So let's see who is going to be the fastest one here. And seems like the iPhone XS Max. No, it is still taking some time. The OnePlus 6 is actually done. Wow, so that is a incredible speed display there by OnePlus 6. And you can see scrolling looks smooth on both phones. If we go ahead and play this video real quick, let's see who is going to be the fastest one. All right, so the iPhone is faster. Yeah, it is faster here. So next we got wikipedia.org. And that is also quicker on the OnePlus 6. So OnePlus 6 is really doing better here. The iPhone was a little bit slow in both browsing round. Let's check out the RAM management. 6 versus 8 gigabyte of RAM storage. Let's see. Phone dialer still there. Settings. Subway Surfers. Asphalt 9. Instagram. Photoshop Express. Cora. Smash Hit. That is still there. Spotify. Pin out. And we are back to the YouTube and then back to the browser. So amazing RAM management on both phones, but I have to say OnePlus 6 really surprised me here. I mean, yes, Snapdragon 845 is not the most powerful chip, but when it comes to real life tests, the real life apps opening and everything, it's not a very, strong win for the iPhone. I mean, it is a little bit quicker in some games. Maybe in some super demanding tasks, the iPhone XS Max Apple A12 CPU could be much better, but yeah, in this test, I would say OnePlus 6 did really good. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section below, what you think about this performance comparison, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.